again. The 13 years old is now the 58. She's about to be 58. Mommy? Hello? Finally I reached you. I did it. You know you had a call just now? No. Mommy? You hearing me? Yeah, they hear. Okay. Mommy, I want to ask you something about where I've been born. Nana mean say I've been born with fishnet, or you been get sense for say I'm born with something. Spider web, yeah. All over me. Wait it? They wait it? Yeah, my mother say it's spider when you're little, age 13, 14, you don't know much. I was born with a fishnet. They say it's something like spider web. And then pull in Creole. They pull it all over me. I don't want to give my mother it already. I don't want to put everything, just the main details. Tight security to talk to my mother, people. 3, not 1. I mean, the country is supposed to say. The person you try to call, it should be English Creole person. But no, the British, the Dutch, and the American. To piss me off even more. And then they turn off the button. Yeah. For someone to talk to themselves, trust me, a lot have to happen for you to make friends for yourself. Like for example, hello, Sally, I think we must stop post the video now, okay? Yeah, I think so too. We have to stop posting now. It's evolution sleeping. I wish I should shape it. I cannot shape until you go to shape as well. So at least we able to shape the conversation that you call your mother, and you have 3 international. Until you say negative word is when they're going to put you through. It's amazing. It's nice to play back to listen to what happened then. But there was a very interesting conversation between you and Shania's sister. I noticed that your nose is getting blocked. Yes, my nose is getting blocked, but it's just a game. It's just tricky. I'm doing okay. That's what counts. And Kisha voice and Salimati voice is back. I don't know. You must ask yourself. Let me try. Kisha, is this all the voice you can use? Yeah, this is all my voice. The voice is gone. Well, it's nice that you check it, because I was also trying to say just we should not check it, because they pull the voice, they let you cough. They need an excuse to pretend your voice is gone, you know. But the funny, they cannot pull the big voices. They pull the singing voice. They pull the child voice. They pull that voice out. It's gone. Because that voice is they pull that voice, it's gone. But hey, life is life. Life is all about doing and trust. I lost all trust in one. And when I say I want to shoot the sky, it's my maximum of explaining how I lost my trust. I will never get a gun to shoot. When I say I'm going to shoot the sky, give me a precise shoot the sunlight, is to tell you I have lost trust so far. It's finished. Today I am 1,300 in totally 1,300, and then the 7, if we pull the 13, is it 13, then the 14, 15, 16, 36, 46 for some 48, 1,348 days today. I miss nothing. I get my 30 days on top of it. So I have only 35 days left to be 3 years, people. Every day arguing, every day talking, every day game. 35 days left to be 3 times 366. So I take the time to talk to all of you, whoever is watching, and I get the beautiful songs on my telephone, but you know, if you're Skyping with somebody, it's easy because you know their reply. But I want to show this. Sometimes I thought I know the real, looking away everywhere. All I see is just a raindrop of your face. As I look all over, when you sing, splashes of voices. I close my eyes and I see one thing. Hey people. Just you. This is a good song. Let me stop this and then just take this last complete song. What I sing. And with my voice they just pull. Then you know the game. This is a song where Weekend is in a catwalk to say, you don't understand. She will never. In the night she there. That song is this, in the night. That's what I sing in karaoke. Now I'm going to stop this and just play the song, and then bye bye. Then I don't say nothing, just the song. And I'm going to delete all the talking video, just the one with the music, because they're trying to cover these people. I exposed this today. I show it my face, and now they're trying to cover the information, the discovery of the sunlight in my stomach and the peeling of my feet, which is the black girl in the bank's agenda, asking me, forcing me to pay bills. The 3 bank, ABN Bank, and the middle bank is my ex-boyfriend bank, the Rabo Bank. This is ABN Bank. So This is I post a video. They're trying to cover up this. So music is coming. Take care. Bye.